Mary, look at this. A guest left a one-star review, but he never stayed here.
What? That is not possible. When did he write it?
Yesterday. His check-in is tomorrow.
So he reviewed the hotel before arriving?
Yes, he wrote, "Bad service, dirty rooms," but he was never here.
Okay, we need to respond now. We cannot ignore this.
What do we write?
Something professional. No anger, just facts.
Good idea. How about, "We see your review, but our records show you have not checked in yet. We look forward to welcoming you tomorrow."
Perfect. Polite and clear. Send it.
Done. What if he complains when he arrives?
We give him excellent service. Let our work speak.
And if he changes the review?
Great. And if he does not, the response shows everyone we are professional.
You are right. One bad review cannot stop us.
Exactly. Now let's make sure his room is perfect.
Already on it.